The car came in with the check engine light on and a complaint that it wouldn't accelerate past 35 miles per hour. I connected the scan tool and found the code P0299, which indicates a turbo underboost condition. Normally, the turbocharger is responsible for increasing air pressure into the engine, allowing for more power and efficient combustion. When it doesn't perform as expected, the engine may lose power, reduce efficiency, and fail to accelerate properly, which was exactly what I observed during the road test. While monitoring live data, I noticed that the barometric pressure sensor reading was fixed, confirming there was an issue with the system. Back at the shop, I inspected the turbocharger unit, intercooler, and all related connections. Ideally, the turbocharger should operate without oil leaks, and the impeller should spin freely with minimal play. However, in this case, I found oil leaking from the turbocharger unit and the oil return pipe gasket. When I removed the air intake pipe, I found an excessive amount of engine oil inside the turbocharger, something that shouldn't happen under normal conditions. I also checked the impeller and found it had excessive radial play. This indicated internal damage to the turbocharger, which compromises its ability to generate sufficient boost pressure. If left unrepaired, this issue can lead to further engine performance problems, increased fuel consumption, and potentially more severe damage to the engine due to oil contamination or insufficient air intake. With the problem identified, I replaced the faulty turbocharger, ensuring all seals, gaskets, and connections were installed properly to prevent future leaks. After clearing the codes, I performed a road test. The car accelerated smoothly, and the live data confirmed that the turbo system was functioning correctly. No fault codes returned, and the vehicle was back to its proper performance levels. A properly functioning turbo is critical for maintaining engine power and efficiency, and addressing these issues promptly can save the engine from more extensive damage.